at Geranium Lake Flowers, and welcome to our channel where it's everything flowers and creative fun projects. Be sure and hit that like button and subscribe. And guess what? Today we're making super fun project, boutonnieres. Everybody needs a boutonniere, but I'm going to show you 3 easy steps to make a boutonniere. Let's get started. Step 1, you're going to gather your plant material, and you can go to your yard or you can go to a big box flower retailer. Today I grabbed some really cute tiny dahlias, some Erigean thistle, and a collection of this cool white stuff. We got hypericum berries, bunny grass, spray roses, some dusty millers. So you can kind of just use anything that holds really well. So you're going to cut everything at a 45-degree angle, and you're going to start making your little boutonniere. You're going to need some boutonniere tape, corsage tape. So this is a paper tape that you pull, and we got it in light green. It comes in dark green and white, but I like the light green because it matches the stems. So you're going to go ahead and pull off about a 10-inch piece, right? And you're really going to stretch and pull it tight. So step 2 is we're going to start making our boutonniere. Look how cute this looks. And you want a bundle of little flowers and greens. You want to make sure it lays flat. And it's kind of like a little bouquet. So you can see I can put a little ruscus here. And then we start wrapping. We start wrapping from the top to the bottom, and you pull it really, really tight and make sure that tape is nice and smooth. And I did it about like 2 inches because we're kind of doing more of a bouquet, kind of gathered boutonniere style. So watch this. You're gonna grab the twine and you're gonna go ahead and start rolling on itself, right? And you roll it nice and kind of A-type, right? You see how I'm just making sure it's nice and squished together so there's no gaps. At the top, you cut up about 4 inches and you roll it around and kind of tie it on itself and pull it tight in the back. I will clip off the excess, and I'll make sure that that boutonniere lays flat, because when it goes on your garment, your suit or whatever, you want to make sure it lays flat. And then I use black boutonniere pins, and you can see that it looks so pretty. So that was super easy. You can see the stems exposed. So now let's do the white one. So we have spray roses, some berries, all sorts of things. Mostly men, and when they sit in my flower shop and order their boutonniere, they're saying, not too big and no pink. So I'm doing this on the small side with the bunny grass. You know, I'm just going to keep it really simple, just one little spray rose. Again, I'm going to use the tape, and I'm going to start at the top, but this time I'm going all the way down to the bottom. And then I'm going to clip off the excess, make sure my tape is straight, and then I'm going to wrap this one with this beautiful charcoal gray silk ribbon. So you can see I start at the top, I lay it down on the side of the stems, and then I roll it on itself. I make sure there's no gaps. You can see my thumb is pulling the ribbon tight. And we're going all the way up to the top. Again, I have that little excess. I tied it in the back with a knot, right? So pull it up, pull it nice and snug. I want to make sure that lays flat again. I'm going to go ahead and use that black boutonniere pin, and these are really adorable. They keep well in the refrigerator, so you can spray it with something that we call Crowning Glory, or you can just spray it with water and be sure and put it in the refrigerator. So thanks again for watching. Until next time, be sure and subscribe and hit the like and hit the alert bell, and we miss you. Bye.